Welcome, programming enthusiasts, to the Null Pointer. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this exciting journey of unlocking the secrets of coding and software development. With over a decade of experience as a software engineer and a passion for crafting elegant solutions, I've had the privilege of working with several renowned international companies, including Samsung and Airbnb. During my career, I've delved into a variety of programming languages and gained extensive expertise in diverse technology stacks. But now it's time to embark on a new adventure, one that allows me to share my knowledge and experiences with all of you. Through the Null Pointer, I aim to bring you a wealth of programming tips, insights, and tutorials that will empower you on your own coding journey. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into the world of programming or an experienced developer looking to expand your horizons, this channel is designed for you. Together, we'll dive deep into the fascinating realm of software architecture, mastering programming languages, and unraveling complex concepts. My ultimate goal is to create an inclusive and supportive community of passionate programmers. I want the Null Pointer to be a place where you can feel comfortable asking questions, sharing your own experiences, and connecting with fellow learners and experts. So, if you're ready to embark on this learning adventure with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our exciting videos that will equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to excel in the world of programming. Thank you for joining me today. Get ready to unlock the limitless possibilities of coding, and let's make the Null Pointer a thriving community of aspiring and seasoned developers. Stay curious, stay passionate, and remember, together, we'll redefine the world of software engineering. See you in the next video.